Hi mga friends, it's me, Almae Astle, Amy Some Living. Today we'll make mango float. And this mango float is requested to my friend Ate Lucy and my mother-in-law Pat, because they like the way I make the mango float. They requested so that they will make their own mango float at home. Sorry, go! I will make your request, mango float. But first of all, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Amy Some Living. Okay? Come on, let's do it. Making mango float. So we have graham crackers, Nestle cream, condensed, and mango. So I already sliced the mango. I'm going to mix the condensada and the Nestle cream. So I use the carnation condensada because for me it tastes good. And I used also, when I mix it, I do mix 1:2. It's just like two Nestle cream, 2 cans of Nestle cream, and 1 can of condensada. But it's up to you guys. If you like sweet, then you can add more condensed. If you like not too sweet, then you can less your condensada. So it's up to you. And I make mixer so that it's a little fluffy. My cream and condensed. But if you don't have like that mixing like this, so you can just direct or refrigerate the mix condensed and Nestle cream. Refrigerate for 1 hour or 2 hours, then you file the rating. So that's how I make it. But it's okay. Before I don't have mixing like this, so I just use refrigerate. Very quick. I don't like also very fluffy because I like the contents and the what is that? The contents and the Nestle cream absorb to the crackers. So I file the crackers to the bottom, but the rest of the crackers, guys, I do in the Philippines we already have a crushed graham, right? We have already prepared crushed graham, but here in where I am in US, we don't have crushed graham. So what I did is I put my other graham crackers to the what is that, food processor to make it fine like that. Just file. Then first we'll put the cream, the mango, and crushed graham. Then we'll do again for the second layer. We'll do the cream mixture. Just put all over like this. She like to help me making my mango float because she said it's my birthday, mommy, so I need to help you. It's my day, and grandma and grandpa is coming. So that's it, guys. So we'll do again the graham, the crushed graham, second layer, right? It's our second layer. Like this. It's very easy, guys. And we'll do again the cream. This is our third layer. I just have a small mango now because we don't have really like this kind of mango here in the US, so it's just a little amount of mango. Then we have refrigerate for 6 hours and after, and this is it. Looks good. It's yummy. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.